Hello, I've got another portable battery here to show you today. This one is slightly different to others I've shown in the past. It's got a huge capacity though, 144 ampere hours, and it's a 1800 watts in it, so that's really, it's enormous. This morning I was looking at a Frankia, a motorhome, cost in excess of 200,000 euros, and that vehicle, 9-meter vehicle, had less capacity than you can see with this. Now, why should you get something like this? It could be that you've just started camping or caravanning or whatever. You've got an old VW camper or something like that. You need to get a battery. Well, why not get something like this? Because this can actually do most of the things, if not all the things, that you could be looking for. Right, so what we've got here is the 12 volt, and the USBs are here, and also at the back we've got the mains plugs. So now what you do with a computer, for example, you plug it into 12 volts and get an adapter to 19 volts. Now, tell you the downsides though, and the first downside obviously is the cost. Something like this is going to cost more than getting lead acid batteries. Indeed, the comparison to lithium ferrous oxide batteries, it's very, very similar in cost. But the biggest single downside I think with this is that this can only charge from 24 volts. You cannot charge it from 12 volts. So I mean, to have to either charge it from the mains when you had access to the mains, which is the normal when you've got a motorhome or camper van, or alternatively then you have to find a 24 volt, which it may not be that easy. You can actually get adapters which do from 12 to 24, but I think buying additional kit mightn't be what you want to do. Anyway, so this thing here weighs 17 kilos. Now it sounds a lot, but it's certainly far less than any lead acid battery that of this size. And as far as lithium batteries go, it's quite reasonable, particularly as it's got this carrying thing here at the top, so you can take that around. Anyway, I'm a believer in these portable battery units, particularly for new people. I mean, when I started out, I didn't know anything about them. In fact, there wasn't anything like this, I think, on the market. I can remember hoping that hearing about things, but there was nothing that was suitable for me, and the result was I probably ended up spending far too much money on other things. Now you've got something like this, you can take it to your next vehicle, you can use it for other things should it be necessary. You can stick it in your car if you think you need to do some power drill, so something like that when it's not in the camper. Do all sorts of things with it. So this type of kit I personally believe in. Thanks for watching.